I'm coming to you guys again with a video hair review. So thanks for tuning in. I wanted to show you all this unit. It's from Remy-Allove Hair Company. So this unit is amazing. And I know I say that in all my videos. You're like, oh my God, all her videos say hair is amazing. That's because I'm only bringing you guys hair that I find amazing. Yes, this was sent for me to review, but I will not show you anything that I don't agree with, that I don't love, that I don't like the quality. So I am showing you this beautiful 4x4 lace front 24-inch body wave unit. So as you saw before, it did come in a body wave style, but I did have to bleach the knot. So once I washed the wig, of course that body wave pattern left, but it's okay. Y'all already know that that body wave pattern won't stay there forever, but it's okay. So let me tell you guys, I love how lightweight this unit is. The cap is small head friendly. It does come with 3 combs, one in the middle, 4 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. I did go ahead and cut off the comb that was in the middle because I normally don't use it, and I find that if you leave it there, it can leave a hump in the middle of the unit. So that's the specs on that, and it comes with adjustable straps. Small head friendly, small to medium. If you have a larger size head, you may find this one maybe a little bit tight unless you pull the adjustable straps all the way to its loosest point. So it is a 4x4, so it does have 4 inches of parting space on the side and going all the way back. So it's about 4 inches there, but it is a lace front, meaning that the lace goes all the way to ear. So it's ear to ear, 4x4, then ear to ear. I absolutely love this unit. I like the fact that it's very lightweight and comfortable. And I tell you, this is lightweight, like so lightweight. The hair is so lightweight as well. I believe it's 30% density, I believe, but this is some really beautiful hair. Look at this hair, you guys. I haven't put any product in it. I just put the waving iron, which is the Bedhead by TIGI, and it's the Wave Artist Iron. This is an amazing iron. I love that waving iron. It's awesome. And it does get very hot. It doesn't have temperature control, just on and off, but it does get very hot. It has on, off, and then lock. Oh, it does have high low, but I keep it on high because I'm not worried about burning my real hair. It's weave. So this hair is so fresh and it's so light, and it does not have a bad smell. This unit does not shed. I absolutely love it, and it sticks from root from the top to the bottom. It's very, very thick, and it's just gorgeous. It's so soft. The density at the top is nice. It wasn't hard for me to flatten at all. I hate when there's too much hair at the top. So as you guys saw, I did just use a little bit of beeswax in my hot comb to lay the hair down. It was not difficult at all. On the beeswax, but the wax, it definitely helps get in there and help the hair get flat. I don't really use mousse that much. You can use mousse as well though, but I like using a wax-based product on the top when I'm flattening. And I just bleached the knots, like I told you, then just added some powder foundation. I do recommend using powder instead of a cream so it doesn't get cakey. But yeah, I went kind of bold on the baby hair. When I did my baby hair before, the wig was sitting too low on my forehead, so I had to step off camera and bring it back. And yeah, just style the baby hair. I'm not an expert, you guys. I'm not a professional, but this was the easiest way, to put on the wig. Just use a little bit of holding spray and some edge control, and that's it. Tie it down. That's it. Kind of like a get up and go unit. The only thing I had to really, really, really specialize in doing is bleaching the knots and plucking the hairline. I did pluck the hairline, but definitely be careful. This lace is very delicate. That's another good thing. It's delicate lace. It's not thick. Check this unit out. It is not expensive. It is not expensive, and it's not hard to get this look. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I've been researching how to pluck units and bleach knots correctly and all that for a long time. So if you're a beginner, it will take some research, but you don't have to do much to this unit. I just wanted to go the extra mile, but you don't have to do all that. It was beautiful at the beginning, and oh my god, it's so lightweight and beautiful. Like I can wear this like all day. It's not heavy whatsoever. It's not making my head hurt. I didn't add an elastic band because I didn't need one. It would have been just too tight, making my head hurt. My head is small, the cap is small. It fits my head perfectly. And hope you guys can see the length. So right up under my chest here is where it stops. And just look at it. Like the sheen and like the natural color. I wouldn't feel bad going out, in the sunlight with this unit. It's not a light brown lace. It's like a almost transparent, but I did have to add some of my own skin color foundation to the lace on the inside. I turned the cap inside, put a little foundation on the lace, and that was it. So lace on the foundation, light plucking, and bleach the knots. That's all. So I want you guys to check this unit out. Let me know if you like it. And it was so simple getting these waves. It was so easy. It's not hard getting these hairstyles, you just gotta buy the unit, do your research, try it for yourself, and I think you would love this unit. Shout out to All-Love Hair Company for sponsoring this video, for sending me the unit. I would not steer you guys wrong. I give this unit 3, 4, 5 thumbs up. It is amazing. The only thing let me see, is it shedding? No, it's actually not. It's not shedding. Let me pull it a little bit. I got 2 strands. You can't even see it. But y'all are not going to be let down with this unit. Like, Come on. Check out the link below. I will leave the link directly to the unit down below, and definitely check out my hair Instagram page. It's cutie-pie88, cutie-pie_hair. cutie-pie_hair on Instagram. Definitely check me out. I post a lot of updates on my wigs and my hair, so definitely check it out. So thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned for future videos. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
All of the things I do.
Who in the hell put the muffins in the freezer?